My name is Doug Lalone. I'm a patent attorney here at Fishman Stewart. We're located in Troy, Michigan. We're an intellectual property law firm. Fishman Stewart offers roughly three different services. One is these kind of standard patent and trademark procurement services. The second bucket includes litigation services. The third bucket of services that we operate within is the strategic IP bucket. The strategic IP bucket really encompasses due diligence services, where we're conducting trademark, patent, and copyright investigations on behalf of clients so that they're not infringing someone's intellectual property. So what we have invented ourselves as engineers and lawyers, as innovators, is a new tool to hand to the managing director of a PE fund or venture capital fund or an angel fund manager. The IP Snapshot tool is a creative instrument that we developed here at Fishman Stewart a few years ago. And it came about as a result of us realizing that fund managers, for example, in venture capital, angel groups, and PE firms were not given tools to understand the intellectual property positions that their portfolio companies have or don't have. And it's a several page snapshot that has a green, yellow, red visual on it. Red, of course, tells the portfolio manager, hey, your portfolio company here, this one right here, has a problem. They're not taking care of business. They don't have any patents or trademarks registered. Yellow on the snapshot card that we've invented indicates that a portfolio company has at least a patent, and so they're in between. They don't have all their IP in order, but at least they've done at least a moderate amount of work to at least secure a patent or a trademark. When a portfolio company has a green mark on our scorecard, what that means is they've done a decent amount of IP work. They definitely have an IP person in their corner. So the benefit of providing a scorecard that has a green, yellow, and red marker on it, and within an instant, a fund manager can say, here's a company that's in trouble. We need to have Doug's team talk to the companies that have red marks on their scorecard because they're leaving value on the table. And so when we do a simple thing like identify a company that's in red, we are giving them a quick indicator that they need to take action. They need to engage their patent attorney and go to the next step. Every fund manager that we presented this tool to said, oh my gosh, Doug, we've never seen anything like this. Our current service providers are not providing us this. The patent law firms we're working with are not providing us this tool. This is a tool that gives them a way of looking at to see how they're doing. Fishman Stewart's approach to IP due diligence can be looked at in many different ways, but it's really about walking side by side with a client, understanding where they're going, understanding their products and where those products are going. If we can help a client protect their monopoly space through our IP tools that we have on our tackle box, we can help them guarantee with sufficient certainty that that revenue stream that's resulting from protecting that IP is going to be protected itself. One of the great things about MVCA is it includes dozens of different venture capital funds within Michigan. They're a great tool. They're a great pipeline for us to be able to penetrate the Michigan venture capital ecosystem, and they've done a fine job at branding and helping us get out in front of great clients and customers.